I'm Jason Marchetti, MD. I'm a physical medicine and rehabilitation specialist with the Texas Back Institute in Denton, Texas. Obviously, no one likes to get sick. I'm the same way. So I've been working with the Texas Medical Association, working on a campaign called Fist Bump Your Doc. And it may sound a little silly, but there was an actual scientific study that came out this past summer. It was published in the American Journal of Infection Control. It was actually done by some scientists in England, where they measured how much bacteria was actually transmitted between hands during handshakes as well as fist bumping. And as you can possibly guess, they found that the more skin that's in contact and the longer it's in contact, as well as the pressure of that handshake, that more bacteria transmitted between those hands. So what they called a firm or strong handshake actually had double the transmittance of a regular handshake. Now with a fist bump, which is obviously a quick, low pressure, low surface area type of contact, it actually had a fraction of the bacterial transfer. Compared to a regular handshake, it was 75% less, and obviously even less than that compared to a strong handshake. My hope with the campaign is that by having brochures like this one in the waiting rooms or posters in patients' room while they're waiting for the doctor to come in, and the patients can see it and say, wow, that's something that I hadn't thought of before, it's something new. And my hope is that when the doctor comes in that he won't even have to initiate the fist bump, that the patients will. And for me, it's a way to really encourage that activity without having to take time to kind of sit down and say, hey, here's why I'm doing fist bumping. And I think it's a kind of greeting that it's already out there. People do it with friends and things like that. It's not recognized as a formal type of greeting, and I think that's why it's kind of socially awkward for people. My goal is to make it less socially awkward. I'm Jason Marchetti, MD, physical medicine and rehabilitation specialist here at the Texas Back Institute. I practice in Denton, Texas, and I hope that this cold and flu season, and hopefully every cold and flu season, you'll remember to fist bump your doc. And certainly if you're coming to see me, I hope you will. Thanks very much.